Yeah, all right, mate. Let's look here. METIS. This first chart that I've looked at on KuCoin, it's obviously very new. This is a 3-day chart, so you know there's not much data to work with here. Could this continue? It definitely could. You have to like the way that it's pushing up onto this sort of resistance point right here. So if I zoom out now and go to the daily chart, you can see that today it tried to move up, and now it's getting rejected. At this point, you wouldn't be buying here today, I don't think. Well, what if this is a rejection and then it continues down lower? I think the possibility of it going higher is fairly decent, but I think I would rather trade a new daily candle. There is the chance, what if this kind of fails to the downside, for example, and we break and we flush back down. So I just wouldn't buy it today, especially the way this market is. The market's obviously very choppy, but it's an interesting coin. I'm just concerned that this would break back down to create a larger base, before maybe moving back up. I was trying to think of another coin that did this, but off the top of my head, I can't seem to think of one. Gala, maybe. The way it broke up, and well, it kind of pushed back up and got rejected. It's not the same, of course, but what I'm trying to get at is it ended up, forming a larger base before you got that real move. Like, this base is still pretty small. I'm not saying that's the greatest example, but I can't think of any other coins that kind of did this. So, as long as this is red today, I would not be buying. I would look at it again on a new daily candle. If we go back out to 3-day, this is still pretty good. There's a new 3-day candle in 19 hours time, and I think if this is going higher, that's kind of what it needs to push and break up.